This is John with WTI. And from what it comes, one of the biggest surprises that I've had with drinks, I'm constantly trying different ones. And the fact that this one, this Milkis peach carbonated soda, it just tastes awesome. So one of the things that I like the most from here is how at the same time it gives you this slight soft touch of peach without giving you too much sugar. So the way that I like to eat this is like normal drink, or even if you want to mix it as a cocktail. But the flavor, the sensation that is not too high in sugar, it's soft, but at the same time it's not too soft. And the carbonation feeling that you would have as a normal soda without giving you that loads of sugar. And at the same time, it's pretty good. So if you really want to try a new option of soda just to chill in the afternoon with your family, or just like to show it around with your friends and be the cool guy that tries new things, this guy here does a great job. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.